Na sila.
Diyan na sila.
Quick. Hit them in the back. Hurry up. Tanks, displace
Sniping
them
mo.
and push
Sniping mo sa
up.
taas,
Tanks,
pre.
beat them to the top. Everybody beat them to the fucking top.
Pwesto kayo.
Tanks, plug the
Already up
staircase. Do
twin
not let them walk up.
versus ha. Dali ka agad siya.
Casters, stay far up top and just bomb the stairs on repeat.
Ay, nahulog.
Ayun ka.
Nahulog. Oh, nahila.
Do not let any rats come up. Catch them all as they come up.
Ilaan na sa likod to, di ba?
Big wave of them coming. Tanks, plug this shit.
Chote, oh.
A lot of you guys are clumped up here. Careful. Unless
May
you're
mark pa
tank,
si Choty,
careful.
tol.
Oh, meron pa. 5. Number 5.
Sige.
Cancel that spin, Q block.
Dead.
Tanks, try to save your counter barriers for spins. That's gonna be your biggest fucking saving grace.
Tokol ah. Ay, Toji pala.
Just keep a little bit pressure down on the bottom. But do not give up our high ground. We give our high ground, we fuck ourselves.
Masyado malalim ah.
Okay, baba lang kayo onte. Hanggang mag-start. Ito, ang daming clamp dito. Skip agad. Durugin natin to. Tangin na
Padala.
susundo ako eh.
Move up to the top.
Go top.
Get back up. Before they start
Ano,
making
Okay,
up.
number 8.
Patay.
Nice, tol.
Cordia. Basta
Okay,
ako.
they're
Basta
back.
yellow
Up
eh.
top.
Yes,
We need to clear
I.
the top, guys. We need to clear the top.
Okay,
Move back up.
Spinner group
Ayun,
up top.
Kill this spinner group on caution.
Choty,
That spinner group needs to
Choty.
die. Tanks,
Joti
plug the
nandito
choke.
ha.
They're all
May ikot
pushing
na.
up.
Nakancel.
Keep them locked.
Nakancel yung ikot niya.
Tanks, build this
Cordia up.
bumps.
Mukhang sa likod.
On
Sa
to
gitna
the
sila sa
top
kabila
stairs.
dumadaan ha. Yun sa may
Push them
Ano?
off too.
payton dyan.
Tangina.
Keep our fucking hold up
Ay,
here.
yellow ko.
Clean up
Ay,
our
yellow pa
backline.
yan.
Our backline needs clear. Kill squad.
Cordia.
Clean our backline.
Choty, number 5. Sa likod.
Watch out for the scorpion up top.
Dead. Ayun yung check
A
oh.
lot have made it through. Kill squads. Worry about our backline.
Gago ko. Huwag mo
I'm
ilaglag.
a stone,
Tangina mo.
boys.
Wario, ayun na, Wario ah. Number 7.
A lot coming up the stairs. Casters, get ready. Test
Cordia.
the position on
Nasa
caution.
kanan sila ng...
We're gonna bomb the top
Ito,
stairs. in
ito.
3,
Angkat
2,
sila,
1. Bomb
angkat
top
sila.
stairs.
Dadive na.
Si Choty, nakuha ko si Choty.
Keep up
Nice,
fucking pressure on top of stairs.
Eh, tinula ko yung isang spinner. Lumipad.
Tangina, patay.
Tangina. Whoosh.
Si Garb. Put.
Naspin kami ni Garb.
2.
Okay.
Tara.
Naspin kami ni Garb. Si
So
Garb
now, kill
nakaikot.
squads, you're just dealing with our fucking backline. Kill all the little rats back there. Do more of that than portal camping. Portal camping isn't gonna give us too much value. The portal's right there. A lot are making it through.
Ito, sila Wario ah.
Tanks,
Ito na
hold
ulit
this
ah.
top of stairs here by the stone. Some tanks. A lot have wrapped our backline.
Cordia.
Tanks, get to our backline.
Paddle on
Clean up our
sniper.
backline. Displace these motherfuckers and pull them into caution. Bomb fucking backline.
Baka mahulog ka dyan, pre.
Ah.
Cordia.
A lot are
May
pushing up the
paddles siya,
stairs
may
now.
paddles
Tanks,
siya.
plug up top of stairs.
Nice push.
Tanks, plug up top of stairs.
Putang ina, muntik na.
Keep that shit fucking down.
Bapwen sa taas oh. Si Bapwen. Nice one. Number 2 nandito. Number 2, number 5 spinner. Spinner, number 2, number 5. Ayan na.
Cordia.
Build some clumps in our backline. Then
Na-
pull them
nagdrapa ako
in
ng paddle dyan sa
3,
inyo.
2, 1. Pull this all in. Bomb this shit. Guys, make sure you're
Stun
fucking
ako,
spaced
stun
from
ako,
each other.
napula
Don't
ako.
get fucking
May
spun
nakaikot ha.
down.
Pero na-cancel. Na-stand.
Kill their spinners. Their spinners need priority focused.
Cordia pa
Spinner.
get.
Number 5. Si
Hey,
Choty nga.
kaya.
Si
Masyado
Choty.
kang
2, 1. Pull them in.
Si Choty ah.
Top is huge. Keep this bomb. Casters, healers, make sure you're using your distance to your advantage.
Nalil-
Do not be too close to our shit.
Nalaro kami dito sa likod ha.
Pahil ako tol. Wala akong HP.
Ayun okay na. Cordia.
Thanks.
Paddle sa mid. Malapit sa stone. Malapit sa inyo.
Number 7 coming back.
Pull them in again in 3, 2, 1. Capitalize on this clump. Build more people for this
Ito,
clump.
Envy.
Bomb this shit.
Number 3. Enigma yun.
Cordia.
Patay.
Cordia.
Nice.
Wipe left.
Let's cap this.
Di ba nagkakap?
Bapwen.
Punch out. Our backline's getting wrapped hard. Kill squads, clean our backline. Somebody focus
Di ba
Toggle.
nagkakap?
He's just chilling for free in our backline. Priority
patay,
target
patay.
Toggle. Queen of curses as well in our backline. They need cleaned.
Tong ina.
Let's get ready to pull them into fucking top of stairs.
Uy, gago,
Bomb top
wag.
of stairs in 3, 2, 1.
Dito kayo
Bomb
sa
top of stairs.
bandang unahan maglaro.
Keep a pressure on top of stairs.
Pre. Yun. May laglag din dyan eh. Dito sa pinanggagalingan nila.
Ito na, spinner.
Sila Joti ah.
Number 5.
Ayun na, nag-ano na.
Keep
Ano
a
ko,
pressure.
na-cancel
Get
ko.
right up on this
Si Gurb
clump.
din,
in
si Gurb
3,
din.
2,
Wala nang
1,
spin
bomb
yan.
this clump. Pop your fucking remedies,
Oh,
guys.
thank you.
Make sure you're popping your remedies and your buffs. You're getting fucking fried.
Cordy up. Utang, inulog ako ah.
No more fighting on that stairs.
Pero
We need
dito
the
lang ako
fucking
sa malapit
top
eh,
help.
no.
We need the top. We're losing control of the top completely. Completely lost control of the top of the stone.
Wala na naman kasi ba't doon sila naglalaro sa baba?
Tanks, build me more clumps. Let's pull them in 3, 2, 1. Pull them in.
Ba't sa
The
baba sila
casters are
naglalaro?
eating for fucking free.
Bobo.
Sa front kayo ng stone lumaro, huwag kayo doon sa may likod.
We need to
May hila-
priority
may
their
hila kayo
fucking
dun.
casters. They all need to be
Putang
killed.
ina, patay.
Okay, balik lang portal to lang.
Let's get ready for
Doon
another
sila sa
bomb
may
clump. Right on the
pag-akit
stone
lang
on
ng portal
caution
to
in
naglalaro
3,
eh.
2, 1. Pull them in.
Dami na naman din. Naka-dominate na tayo.
Keep up fucking pressure. I see fucking casters eating for free in the
Putang
back. They
ina.
need pulled. They need
Di
displaced.
Sunduin kita pre. Sunduin kita.
Q-blocks,
See,
fucking
see.
buff up.
Go.
Keep up that pressure on top of stone. You
Cordy
die,
up.
take portal 2.
Ang ina. Nahulog kami ah.
Dito kayo sa may harap na stairs lumaro. Huwag sa likod.
Putang ina, di ako nakagalaw pre. Nahulog din dito sa may stairs na to.
Keep up pressure on the fucking top. Their casters are just eating for free in the back. I need that cleared.
Patay. So sila nang gagaling sa may
Priority
kabila.
fucking targets, guys.
Kabilang
Bomb
piton.
top of stairs in 3, 2, 1. Pull them in. Reach for casters, tanks. You need to look. Like, just don't grab anyone. Look around for anybody with a fucking staff in hand. Big fucking clump of people to the
Cordy
side
up.
over here. You cleaned up.
Cordy up.
Wario.
Tayo ako na spin. Kapag spin si Gurb. Saka na yung Gurb sabay labas oh. Sabay alis. Spin alis lang.
Sobrang nga lang eh.
Sabay labas eh.
We need a bigger presence on the stone itself, guys.
Ina.
There's fucking casters for free in the back line. Look at this arrow. That's casters. Get rid of them.
Heal mo ako tol, try ko mag-DPS. Kaya lang. Babalik pa lang ako.
Putang ina, cosmic to.
Get all these
Uy,
little
uy,
fucking
uy.
casters off
Ay,
the fucking
putang
top.
ina.
Yellow ako eh. Bago na yun, dalawang sunod-sunod yung yellow. Ayaw na magpagalaw. Cordy up.
Let's get ready to chain them into caution in 3, 2, 1. Pull them in. Reach far, tanks. Look for people on the outskirts and bring
May
them
lipat.
in.
Ayun na naman si Gurb ah. Pumasok ah. Mag-i-spin yan.
Remember, save
Tang
counter
ina.
barriers for spins.
Cordy up.
Keep up more pressure on this clump. It's huge. Keep up pressure on this clump. Bring more people into that clump.
Putang ina. Kasama tayo sa kalan.
Kailangan ko to, ulit na ako.
Cordy up.
Keep up pressure on this clump. Displace those casters to the side. There's a lot of casters on the side on that arrow. Pull them into caution. Bomb caution. It's fat. Keep up pressure on that shit. I need bombs on the caution symbol. They're losing their footing. Keep up this pressure. Keep them staggered.
Yun na lang. Balik lang.
Balik sa stone.
Nice. Get ready to pull them in again in 3, 2, 1. Pull them in again. Displace. More displacement.
Cordy up.
Reach far and fucking get
Ah,
these fucking
depende ka, pre.
casters out of our backline.
Ah,
Our biggest threat right now is actually our backline.
Nag-spin.
Q block those guys. Q block,
Putang ina,
you counter
cosmic to.
barrier.
oh. Hindi ba sila
Cordy
pwede
up.
mahulog tol? Hindi sila mahulog?
base yan tol eh, si Cosmic.
3,
Hindi, yung
2,
iba.
1. Pull them in again.
Ay na, wiping
These
na.
guys on the
Sana.
sides. These guys on the
Okay
sides
na
need to be
sila.
displaced.
Kung saan sila kasi nang gagaling, dumadaan eh. Dati nadaanan.
Look.
Pasok kayo sa stone. Mahirapan na to, mahirapan na to.
Cordy up.
On caution, kill Tokol.
Si Tokol.
Do not let this dude eat for free. Do not let Ego eat for free as well. Get both of them. Build me more
Okay,
clumps on caution again in 3, 2, 1. Pull them in again.
Diba malapit sa ka. Di na ako nakalis dito sa cushion ng puta. Diba, tank pa
Watch
ako.
out, tanks. If you need to
Oy.
space out a
Patay
little
ako.
bit now. Like, remember,
Dito ako,
you gotta
dito ako,
preserve your
dito ako.
lives. Look at these
Naging
casters
tank
on the
ako eh.
sides and you're
Lagi ako nasa
fucked.
caution.
Kill these fucking casters on the sides. They're starting to play really wide now, which leaves them vulnerable. Tanks, if you see a little caster on the side, pull
Dito
him
ang
in.
daming tao
Kill
dito sa
squads,
labas.
just gank
May
him,
baba
if
ko.
anything.
Imbis sa taas maglaro.
Let's get some
Gago
pressure on
ka.
the stairs
Ang
now.
layo
Get some
naman ng
pressure
pool
on the
nun.
stairs.
Putang ina mo.
Bomb these guys top of stairs. Top of stairs needs bomb. Top of stairs needs bomb.
Oh,
Q
tangina
block,
mo
Q
ka.
block, counter barrier, Q block.
Nilaglag ako. Ang layo ng hila. Grabe na mahila nun. Uptime.
Remember, guys, if you're dying, it's Portal 2.
Gago.
Layo na ikot to. Pag nalaglag ka
Get
doon
back
sa
into the
likod.
fight
Putang
quick.
ina.
Nahulog ka.
Oo.
Tara, tara, tara.
Tinaka,
O sila
tinaka,
Choti,
tinaka.
pabalik na.
Putang ina mo.
They're pushing off a lot of us.
Cordy up, cordy up. May damage ka, pre.
Yun na. Ayun na, kutukan.
Nag-spin ha.
Okay, nice one, nice one, nice one,
Let's
nice
get
one.
some bombs on caution in 3, 2, 1. Pull them in.
Cordy up.
Bomb this
Ikot,
top of stairs.
ikot
Keep
lang,
pressure top of
ikot,
stairs. Tanks,
ikot
keep limits
lang.
clump on top of stairs.
Ikot-ikot lang. Yung mga seeker nila nandito lang. At yung mga healer nila parang para
Keep up
ano
that
lang.
pressure, top
Chill lang.
stairs.
Kaming mga healer sa atin. Parang
Tanks,
hirap
if you
na
need
hirap.
space out to survive, space out. You don't need to live in the
Si
clump
Tokol,
and
oh. Si Tokol
walk the fuck
pre-hit ha.
around.
Nasaan, nasaan, nasaan?
We're losing
Number
control of
3.
the top, guys.
Sa
We're
may
losing
stone,
control
sa
of
may
the
stone.
top. Get these guys on the sides. Like
Number
Tokol
three,
on the
number three.
side over here. Get this fucking dude. He's casting for free. He's eating for free.
On mighty, on mighty, on
Get
mighty.
this dude up.
Patay.
Cordy
Buhay
up.
pa, putang ina.
Toko, priority target. Put him down.
Sa akin lahat ng ano na naman.
Choti, Choti,
putang ina,
Choti,
no.
Choti.
Lumayo na ako dyan. Nasa akin na naman sila lahat eh.
Stair clump is huge.
Dito na
Tanks,
ako.
pull them in 3,
Okay,
2, 1. Pull them into stair clump and bomb stair clump. Bomb stair clump.
Cordy
Bomb
up.
stair clump.
Tinamaan
All
ka.
bombs on stair clump. Then clean up our backline. Step further. Step
Napull,
further into
napull.
backline. Bomb our
Okay,
backline.
may
Bomb our
paddle dyan,
backline.
may paddle
Tanks, move
dyan.
to backline and clean them up on backline. Pull them into backline in 3, 2, 1. Bomb our backline. Bomb our backline. It's all
Si Tokol,
casters
si
in
Tokol,
the
number
two.
fucking clump.
Puta ko
In the
inahabol
backline.
ng Ravager oh.
Ikaw talaga pick. Pati si JP. Sila Wario nandun ha.
2 kayo. Likod.
Putang ina.
Try to anti-cap that dude. Clean up. Finish our backline. Finish cleaning up our
Si
backline.
Choti may
Tanks,
spinning.
keep focus on our backline.
Cordy up,
Kill
cordy up.
body.
Fail.
Bombers, get ready for top of stairs. Top of stairs bomb. Top of stairs bomb. Pull them into top of stairs and
Ikot-ikot
bomb
lang
that
tayo
shit.
dito sa stone.
Todo naman
Keep up pressure
Ravager
on
oh.
the fucking top of stairs.
Si Jay.
Hindi
Jay
yung
ba?
Chinese.
Check.
Oo.
Si ano ata yan eh. Kasama nila rin. Nilang quick strike eh. Ang kasama rin.
Our backline clump. Hold our backline clump. Bomb backline. Bomb backline. Bomb backline. Pull this. Pull this.
Ikot-ikot
Lock
lang tayo
them
dito.
down. Lock them
Yung
down.
Queen of Curses
Guys,
ha.
get out there
Nasa
if you need
stone,
to.
nasa stone. Pati si Cosmic.
Puta nahulog.
Q block. And pop your buffs. Pop your remedies. Pop remedies, guys.
Ah.
This clump is fucking huge on caution symbol. I
Ah, pre.
need more pressure on it. I need
Ito na,
more
ito na,
pressure
sa
on it.
taas.
Cordy up, cordy up.
Kailan ko tol, matitid siya ako.
Hindi pre, di ka matindi.
Puta nahulog.
Si Choti, si Choti. Cancel ko na.
Keep
cancel
pulling
ko.
them in. Pull them in again in 3, 2, 1. Displace them from the sides.
Ah,
There's
yun,
so many people
na-spin
to the
ako.
sides. Bring them into this
Winter.
massive clump.
Winter?
Tanks, remember,
Nagpalit?
Wala, spinner na yun?
remedies.
Nagpalit si Winter.
Ha?
Dami niya nang patay.
That fucking clump is fucking huge. And
Check
also
nga.
aim for those
Nagpalit
casters.
ata.
They're all on the sides and shit.
Dami niya nang patay. Pang ano. Sama ako.
Saka pinupunan sa kanya.
Bomb this clump again in 3,
Nag-switch ata.
Yung ikot-ikot,
2,
yung
1. Bomb
ikot-ikot.
that clump again. Bomb that clump again. They're starting to
Ang
outstack
bilis
us.
eh.
We need the
Parang
outskirts
spin eh.
killed. Kill squads. I need you dealing with the outskirts of this fucking stone up here.
Tayo ulit
Queen of
ako.
Curses sa likod.
Pinapit. Patay.
Get ready to bomb them again
Nice
in
tol, nice
3,
tol, nice tol, nice
2,
tol.
1.
Putang inang
Displace them.
cosmic
Si,
to.
Are there
Sira
so many priority
Tokol.
targets on the fucking
Saka,
back
ano,
side of the
paikot-ikot
stone? But
na
it's
sa
10.
stone.
Kill these
Yung
guys
mga
in the
spell
Tol,
Patay.
pahila ko ah. Ipe-pressure ko yung mga
You want
caster
them
ah.
for free back here.
Sige, sige. Kaya lang, patay ulit
Get
ako.
them
ako.
out of the fucking side tents.
Patay ulit
Yo,
ako. Putang ina,
kill
di
these
ako
dudes.
galaw na. Pag-akit ko na stone, di ako pinapagalaw eh.
Clean our backline. Clean our backline. Slow clear our backline. Then we'll deal with the front. Look at his fucking backline.
Putang
He's
ina,
cleaned up.
Buhay to.
Sorry, nakabalik ko lang. Ilang beses ako namatay.
Alright, let's get ready to bomb the big clump of them. Guys, split the fuck up. Fuck up. You're all getting pulled. Alright, tanks, you're ready. Pull that in 3, 2, 1. Lock that caution
Siyempre, may
down.
damage.
Lock caution down. Lock caution
Cordy up,
down.
cordy up.
Nakabuo na nun.
Si Wario, si Wario.
Na dito na naman, oh.
Ano, pasok kayo sa stone nonte. Para hindi umangat yung kanila.
Keep up pressure.
Nasa
Keep up
stone kami.
pressure.
Nasa stone.
Sige, sige.
Makakatulong ka dyan,
versus-
pre. Ordi up, ordi up.
Our backline needs cleared again. There's a lot of people just sitting on this backline. Look, there's kill squads out back
Take me
here.
na versus
Bomb
sa
this
likod.
back clump. Tanks, keep that locked. Bomb the caution. Kill all their kill squads and bomb squads
Kaya
on
may
this
ano
caution.
dyan, may
Get rid of all of them. Pull them. Bomb this shit. Bomb this shit. Lock them the fuck down.
ordi up, ordi up.
Bring more people into it.
Okay, bro, di ka mamamatay.
Clean them up on the sides here.
Pero joke lang.
Do not let these casters fucking cast.
May paddle ka.
Wala.
1 second. Ordi up. Okay, takbo-takbo lang. Ikot-ikot lang tayo sa...
Jyoti, si Jyoti, si Jyoti.
Ikot-ikot lang sa
Body needs to
stone, ha?
die.
Ikot-ikot lang tayo sa stone.
A lot
Para
of people low
galaw-galaw
over
lang.
here. Clean these kills.
Para
And
di
put the
kayo...
guys on the sides.
Galaw-galaw lang.
Benji, play super
Ordi up,
hard
ordi up.
anti-cap now. Every second counts. Steel Heart, super hard anti-cap. Let's bomb this shit in 3, 2, 1. Good. Keep up more pressure.
Anti-ti-ti-ti-ti-ti.
Let's go.
Yan ba yung sinasabi niya? Patay ako? Putang ina. Si Chukay. Anong ginawa na ni Chukay? Umiikot.
Ang ina. Gi, putang ina,
Try to
pressure lang.
anti-cap that dude. Where is he at?
He's
On the side.
Okay.
He's a berserker. He is evasion.
Guys,
Versus
on
that.
caution, bomb them in 3, 2, 1. Pull more
Gladiator.
people in. Pull more people
Di
in.
ba kaya
Get
yan?
them to the sides. Get them to the sides and bring them into this clump.
Di ba
Bomb this
tatama?
clump. Bomb
Ordi
this.
up,
Bomb
ordi
this.
up,
It's fucking
ordi up.
huge.
Dito na ako.
Remedies now. Remedies now. Remedies now.
Dito.
Time this.
Dito.
I'll pop guardian later. When or... Oh shit.
Keep up
I got
pressure
pulled.
on this clump. Pull them in again in 3, 2, 1. Displace the guys from the sides. Displace the
Ordi
guys
up.
from the sides. Bomb this fucking clump. That's huge. That's huge. That's huge. I need a few more people on the stone, just on the outskirts and shit. Just stay in the general area.
Guardian, guardian.
Tol, paila ko, tol.
Ano yan? Hindi umabot pre. Sorry.
Sige lang, sige lang, sige
Pull
lang.
them in. In
Ordi up,
3,
ordi up.
2, 1. Pull. It's huge on the backline. Backline. Backline's fucking huge.
Ah, nagkikil na lang yan. Ay, nakapagka pala. Ordi up. 46 seconds.
Good shit.
Gago, tinulak
We
ako.
just need to hold for like
Kailangan
30
ko.
more seconds and it's impossible for
Di
them to
ka
catch
malang-
up at this point.
Ay, ito na naman yung...
So keep this
Wala, layo.
ticking in our favor.
Nilaglag
Stay
ako
in the
dun sa-
general area.
Malapit sa portal ko.
Ito nga yung check na to, ah.
20 more seconds, we
Ano
should
bilhin
be
na sa
good.
tayo?
Get these guys on the sides. Get these guys on the
Jason,
sides.
Hindi ako pinapalaro, eh.
Yung taga Belenos, yung isa, yung sabi mo nag-change name.
Ah, si Zay?
Let's
Hindi,
pull them in
Kasi
3,
yun pa rin pangalan.
2, 1. Pull them in on
Malaro ko
caution,
si
caution. Okay, at this point, use guardians and remedies whenever you see fit.
Guardian ako. Late ka
Whenever
nagsabi.
you see fit, just use.
Patay.
Pamatay ako.
Bomb on
Tangina.
caution in 3.
Nice.
Wait, why did it
Ang
end?
ina.
Ito yung buhay.
Ayun o, itong i-check yun eh, di ba? Itong i-check yun eh. Itong
But
rabbit
there's a
mo
minute
to.
left.
Oo.